And welcome to Nalanda Wellness. Today we are going to share with you about Zazen Meditation. What is Zazen Meditation, how to do it, what are the benefits, and also I will clear some misunderstandings that people have. I will answer some questions and also give you an opportunity to join our community where we can delve deeper into this and master this technique. Okay, so what is Zazen Meditation? It is a meditation where there is no object of meditation. So actually, technically, it is not a meditation, because meditation means contemplating on something, and here we are not contemplating on anything. So how to do this technique? You just sit down in a comfortable position, back should be straight, and do nothing. Just relax and let the thoughts settle down, and just observe your existence, your own existence, or the existence, the reality around you. Okay, that's the technique. After some time, you will notice a surge of energy, because most of the time our energy is going out. We are busy doing some things, our energy is directed outwards, and sometimes the energy is directed inwards. We are aware of our thoughts, feelings, sensations. But in Zazen, we do nothing, neither of the two. We just allow our energy to be at the source. And when that happens for some time, even if it happens for 5 minutes, you experience a surge of energy. And that brings a transformation, an inner transformation, which is not described by words. But that is called Zazen. Okay. So we'll experience that. The benefit of this is, you will find that yourself, you will be more alive. The energy will increase. The aliveness will be there, and you will experience your true self. Ultimately, you will experience your true self, your real nature, and that will be beyond the mind. So it's mind-blowing when you experience that. So let us do this. So put on your headphones and sit comfortably. One of the questions people ask is, should I close my eyes or keep my eyes open? Both is fine. You can keep your eyes open, you can close your eyes, whatever is comfortable to you. The important thing is, you have to go beyond the mind. Stop thinking and stop being judgmental. Most of the time what happens is, we interpret our reality as good, bad, right, wrong, and that's going on, and that means we are in the domain of the mind. You have to go beyond this. Okay, so sit comfortably, keep your eyes closed or open or half open, and just relax. Just begin to relax and just notice your existence. Maybe for a moment notice your thoughts, if there are any, or your breathing, and then stop doing that also. Just do nothing. You might find yourself doing something, and as soon as that happens, stop that. Just be. Just be doing nothing. Just be at the source and just relax. And if you find yourself interpreting your reality as good, bad, right, wrong, just be a watcher of that. If your mind is chattering about something, let it chatter. You don't have to handle anything. Automatically, thoughts will settle and you will just be with yourself. Just be, do nothing. Be like a mirror. When you see in the mirror does not judge you as good or bad, right or wrong. The mirror is neutral. So be neutral towards the reality of this world, towards your own reality. Just be, just exist, do nothing. Wonderful. Just relax, just enjoy your own being yourself. Wonderful. Good. Now you can open your eyes if you had closed it. So this is just a glimpse of Zazen meditation, and I would invite you to join our community, and the details are in the description, where we are conducting online workshops as well as we are doing retreats from time to time. In these retreats you can experience and go deeper into this, and there are many aspects to this meditation. There are many different styles and techniques where you will go beyond the mind, and the more time you spend beyond the mind, you will experience many things, many realizations will happen. And when you work in a group with people who have experience in this, those who have walked on this path and experienced various things, it's a beautiful thing. So you need a community where you can share your experiences, because these are internal experiences, and those who have walked on this path, they have experienced some things, and when you experience those same things, similar things, those are milestones on the path, and ultimately this path leads to enlightenment. And this is beyond any other kind of meditation you have done, because it's totally different. Okay, so see you soon, and hope to see you in some of the online sessions of Zen and Zazen meditation, and also look forward to see you in the Zazen meditation retreat. Okay, see you, bye bye.